So we decided to keep our boat on a mooring this year to save a few dollars. We have this big 9.9, but it's just too big to put in the van and throw on the dinghy to get out to the boat. I had this 2.5, but I thought I would do a upgrade to it and put an electric motor on it. Here you see me putting the drive shaft back in just for video, and now I am bolting on the electric motor plate that I 3D printed. Now let's tighten those babies up. Hook up this 48 volt battery just to test. And she rips. To finish up, I'm going to put a bigger motor on it for a little bit more power. Finish 3D printing the case and build a battery, and we should be good. Thanks.